If your Samsung TV is not reading your USB, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The problem may be caused by having multiple USB drives connected to the TV, an incompatible USB format, or having too many folders and files stored on the USB drive. To resolve this, start by removing any unused USB drives and ejecting any that are not in use. Then, reconnect the single USB drive you want to use on the TV. Another solution is to format the USB drive. Install and run a USB formatter. Right-click on the flash drive and select Format. Configure the format settings as needed, including cluster size, partition label, and file system, and then select Apply. Additionally, delete any unnecessary files from the USB drive, keeping only the essential ones. Once you have completed these steps, reconnect the USB drive to your TV, and the issue should be resolved.